Hi guys, we're looking at version 4 of my fairy house or Christmas ornament or Halloween ornament as it was the other day. I did say I wasn't going to video version 4, but I've made enough changes to it to probably make it worthwhile. No change to the lid. The base, I've enlarged the edge round here so it's a deeper slot, so those bits fit in better. And then the walls I have changed. The front and back wall have got these slots on the edges. On one of the versions I've got the slots on one side and the pegs on the other side, whereas I've decided to go front and back. I've got the slots, and then the sides I've added them or modified them so they're hooked, so when they go in they actually lock in place. They take a bit of manoeuvring to get them in, but once they're in, they're in. Make sure I get the right way up. I didn't mention, but there is actually a top and a bottom. The windows are slightly up, or the distance to the roof is slightly less than the distance to the ground. This is going to be the awkward one. The tightness will depend on what quality you print them at. I'm printing it on lowest quality, which means you get a bit of sort of flashing around the edges, which does make them tighter. Not intentionally, it's just that's the way it works out. There we go, so now that holds itself together, I don't need to glue it. That sits in there, that sits on there. You could glue them obviously, but I've left it so you can get it apart easily. And then I've got one tea light left. Oh, what's that one under there? That's a Halloween one. I wonder if that fits. Yep, that fits. So there we go. Version 4. I don't intend to do a version 5. I'm happy with version 4. Clips together so we don't need glue unless you want to make it permanent. And the tea light fits in there. I changed the dimensions of that hole again, just a tiny bit, so it doesn't slide up quite so far. In fact, that one's a bit of a tighter fit anyway. So yeah, version 4. I'll put the files on Tinkercad, make them public. I did have trouble when I tried to put them onto Thingiverse a while back. There seemed to be some problem transferring from Tinkercad to Thingiverse. But I'll give it a go. If I can get it onto Thingiverse, then I'll put links in the video description. There'll be links to the Tinkercad files anyway. Thank you for watching. Thanks for watching. There's always more information down in the video description, and if you like this video you might like this one up here, and you might like to have a look at my channel over here, see what else I do. Thank you for watching.